वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन यूट्यूब। यूट्यूब से जो है वो आप लोग किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। Because there is a big window of opportunity for monetizing videos. YouTube audience is massive. Viewers are logging in daily on the platform, watching hours upon hours of content each week. Not to mention, YouTube ad revenue is predicted to reach a staggering $30.4 billion in 2023. Thing is, translating views into cash does not happen by accident. It's not just about uploading videos or promoting your YouTube channel. You need a strategy. That's why we wrote this breakdown of how to make money on YouTube and what to expect along the way. Along with the classic monetization techniques, we have included fresh, innovative ways to earn money on the platform in 2023. 10 ways to make money on YouTube that actually work. Recent YouTube stats show the platform is a goldmine for creators, but monetizing content on YouTube can be tricky. Creators should not sacrifice entertainment value or authenticity for dollars and cents. The good news, there is no right or single way to monetize your videos. You have multiple options based on your content, audience, and promotional strategy. Let's dive into 10 opportunities to make money on YouTube and how they work. Join the YouTube Partner Program. No surprise here, the YouTube Partner Program allows creators to earn revenue with ads run on their videos. Let's look at a quick snapshot of YouTube partner criteria. Assuming you are in line with the platform's monetization policies, you need 4,000 plus authentic public watch hours within the past year or 10 million valid public short views within the past 90 days, 1,000 plus subscribers and active and linked Google AdSense account. Chances are you have seen your fair share of YouTube ads. From in-video to pre-roll ads are a relatively hands-off way to make money on YouTube. In terms of how much money you can make from ads, there are too many variables for a straight answer. These variables include your viewers' demographics, such as location and age, whether there are relevant advertisers for your videos, your content and industry. According to YouTube themselves, there are no guarantees for payouts or revenue share. Most information floating around is totally anecdotal. While $1 per thousand views used to be the norm, times have changed as the YouTube algorithm has evolved. So have the partner program and ad policies. For example, the platform has explicit restrictions for advertising on YouTube Kids. Many major ad categories and targeting features are removed from videos intended for children. You are essentially looking at a number game. Regardless, you need to be earning thousands or millions of views per video to see any meaningful reviews revenue. Not sure about running ads on your channel today? Understandable. Again, monetizing videos should not hold back your channel's growth. Stuffing your videos with unskippable ads makes them borderline unwatchable. That said, a few ads here and there is totally fair game. Earn support from subscribers with a channel membership. YouTube channel membership are specifically designed to support creators looking to make money. Think of membership like a Patreon or Twitch subscription. Subscribers pay a monthly fee in exchange for channel specific perks. This might include exclusive content, chat badges, and more. These benefits vary based on your membership tier. This feature is most relevant to creators that primarily post content to YouTube rather than treat it as a secondary channel. If you are doing regular live streams or posting daily, memberships make perfect sense. Currently, the eligibility for channel membership is almost identical to the partner program. Put proportional links in your video descriptions. Feature sponsors in your videos. तो यूट्यूब से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हमने देखा आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।